Are you thinking about shopping from Alcantro.com because those trendy jackets, cozy sweaters, and elegant dresses caught your eye at unbelievably low prices? Hold on. Before you hit that Buy Now button, let's take a closer look. Alcantro.com is one of those online fashion stores that seems too good to be true, offering huge discounts, sometimes up to 80% off, and claiming to sell premium quality products that rival high-end brands. The site's design looks modern and appealing, and yes, there are a few positive reviews floating around online, but when you dig deeper, things start to look questionable. The website was only registered in November 2024, which makes it very new and without a proven track record. There's also no visible information about who owns or operates Alcantro, which is always a red flag for online shoppers. Many of the product images on the site appear to be copied or taken from other fashion retailers, suggesting that what you see might not be what you get. Some customers have reported long delays in shipping, while others say the products they received didn't match what was shown online. Poor fabric quality, off sizes, and missing items being common complaints. On the flip side, a few buyers did mention that they received their orders, but the consistency just isn't there. So while Alcantro.com might seem like a great deal at first glance, the lack of transparency, new domain age, and mixed reviews make it risky for anyone expecting reliable service or guaranteed quality. If you value your money and peace of mind, it might be better to explore more established and verified online fashion stores instead of taking a gamble on this one.